Hey everyone, good morning. It's Tony Marie Campana from Tony Marie's Creations. And I wanted to jump on really quick this morning and just show you how I deal with a new packaging style that Stampin' Up! Has introduced. I actually introduced it a while ago. I'm trying to clean up some of my messiness on my workspace here. But if you order just a stamp pad or a small amount of product that doesn't require it to be shipped in a box, they've introduced a new packaging, and you may have received them like this in your orders. So I know there were some people that have struggled with how to open this. So I just thought I'd pop on real quick and just show everyone basically how I do it. And there are perforations about in the middle of the package. And what I do is I just start to, gently tear until I can't tear it any further. So I'm going to do that on both sides. Okay. And then I'm just going to gently start pulling this apart. Now, what others have said they've done, because it's so hard, you really can't peel this apart at the top. This is all completely secure and adhered, so you can't really separate these layers. So, and then others have said they've used scissors to try to cut along the top or try to cut into it. And what has happened is they've sometimes damaged some of the product. So we don't want that to happen either. So if you start tearing the perforation until it can't tear anymore, and then I just start to separate until I can get my finger in there, and then that perforation will follow down. And then once you do that, you can start to peel this up. And I just try to peel it all away instead of trying to wiggle the product out from one half of the package. So I just open it up as far as I need to, and then because it's still stuck to this, just lift it out, and then you've got your product. So it is a little frustrating when you get something like this and you're not quite sure how to get into it, because we're all excited about getting our new product. But this is, for me, the easiest way I've found to go ahead and tackle this sometimes very frustrating packaging solution. So again, just start tearing at the sides until you can't tear it anymore. And then just start kind of wiggling that apart until you can get a finger up under there, or as I did on this side. And then just start separating it at the center, and then you should be able to get to your package. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or anything I might be able to help you with, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thanks, and hope you have a great day.